Here's an easy and delicious way to make pan-fried dumplings using store-bought ones. First, light up the stove to medium-high heat and add a little bit of oil to your pan. Then brush the oil evenly on the pan. Place the dumplings into the pan. Make sure the bottom of each dumpling is touching the surface so they crisp up evenly. While those are warming up, it's time to make the key ingredient, starch water, in a small bowl. Mix 2 teaspoons of cornstarch with 1 cup of water. You want it very thin. Now pour the starch water into the pan. It should come about halfway up the sides of the dumplings. Cover the pan with a lid to let them steam and cook through. You don't need to do anything at this point, just let the steam do its job. Once the starch water starts to evaporate and thicken, check the bottom of the pan. When it begins turning golden brown, add a small dash of oil. This helps create that extra crispy crust and prevents sticking. Once you see a beautiful brown starch crust form on the bottom, it's ready. Finish with a sprinkle of sesame seeds and some chopped spring onion for garnish. Just look at how beautiful that is. And there you have it, crispy, golden pan-fried dumplings. Enjoy! See you next time!